How's it going, guys? So I bought a rail to put here because just the distance for there, I just couldn't be bothered hunching over just to try and work and do things. So I bought this rail from Just Campers, I think it is. And it's mostly for Volkswagens and stuff, but to be fair, it's just a rail. So I was thinking of fitting it on that piece of wood there. And then the wee clips there attach onto it, and that would make a table slide up and down there, so wherever you wanted it. So I hope you guys go and enjoy the video, and in case you haven't, why not consider subscribing and hit that notification icon so you're always notified when my latest video comes out. Likes, comments and shares are always appreciated and help the channel grow, but they also show me that you're enjoying the content. I've also included chapters for ease of viewing, so let's get to it. These are for spacers, maybe. Aye, that's all right. And then obviously this portion here will attach to the wood, or the wood will sit here rather. So I just need to decide how long I want the desk to be. Solid as well. Jobs are good. So that's it wrapped, and I've got the brackets on as well, so let's test it. All I need to do is just get a stand to go under there, just to prop it up. I'm going to get some edging along this as well, just to tidy it up a bit. So I got these rope lights, so I just thought they were a lot better than the other LED lights. But I've also got an old USB extender, so I'm going to use that to try and hide a lot of the white wire. So I don't know if you can see that, but you get these wee clips. There's a wee hole in it there, so you can screw it in, and it just slides on there like that, which is fine, but I don't want to screw it in. So I'm wondering, rather than using sticky back tape on this, if I just actually do it on the clips and just position the clips in there, and then it means that I'm not putting the tape on that. Let's try that actually. This is all the clips that you get here, and then this is the sticky back tape. However, these are actually replacement lights because I bought these and I stupidly tried to use that and it just fried them. There was parts of the lights that weren't working. I got another pair, and the good thing about having two sets of it, more clips. The rope is pretty weighty, so the extra clips will come in handy for holding it up. So let's get it going. Carry on. I just broke that? No. So that's the mold out. And I just need to figure it out. Well, there you go. So just now I'm just adding the USB extender cable and then just getting everything in place to see how it's working. So I've decided what I'm going to do is, rather than stick it, so the hole is normally there, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is put them on the sides like that. So when I need to take this piece of the roof off, these are going to come off with it, but the rope will actually pop out. So what I've decided to do is just drill through the centre here rather than use the hole at the bottom there. Drill straight through the two bits of the plastic and then secure them all the way along and all the way around that. And on the hole opposite the screw, I made it just a bit wider so I could get a screwdriver through it. I've left this bit down just so I can shove the power pack up there. As you can see, I've put black tape around all the connectors to the power pack and the USB extension cable, just so that none of the cables were loose or free or anything, because there is insulation up there, and it just kept everything all together. So that's the new LED lighting, just so much better than the other ones. Pretty happy with that. And also with these clip-in bits, it means that if I have to take the ceiling down, because I'll need to take the ceiling down to cut a hole in the roof for the solar wires sticking through, but that won't be happening until at least March. And it just means that all I need to do is just literally pop that out, unlike the other LEDs that, you know, you have to stick onto the wall and stuff. So, but I'll leave a link to these lights in the description. Yeah.